Alright, Platinum Hands Contractors. Framing up the basement. Put that moisture barrier behind the framing. Make sure that the drywall don't get moist. Y'all know this is a basement. Just ran out of moisture barrier for the day. We only made it to right here with the moisture barrier. And this is all that we got left. So I gotta do this wall right here. Y'all see framing coming along. Got the bathroom framed up. Gonna go and get in here and knock this concrete out so we can put in the drainage for the toilet, shower, and vanity, all of that stuff. Drain going in, got everything. And then I just got to finish framing out this side of the basement right here. Ran out of 2x4s as well, so waiting on a couple 2x4s to come by. A little bit of moisture barrier left. Once I'm finished with that, electrical guys can come in and run the electricity all the way up and down the walls. Then we'll be ready to put the drywall on. So Platinum Hands Contractors, y'all already see how I do. No job too big, no job too small. It's coming along, it's coming along. We finna go and get this basement done up. Y'all ain't gonna know it in a minute. Y'all gonna be looking like, wait, that's the same look? Yep, that's the same look you did. Yep.